Welcome to Pouse out of the house. Now it has been a long time since I've done a motovlog, but I just thought I'd let you know I am still here. I am still riding the bike. Today, as you can see, I'm on the Husky, the 701 SM. I've actually just been to MOT my DRZ 400 and then straight after MOT on this bike. Two reasons. Obviously one is to get an MOT, but number two is I want to sell the DRZ and I am going to sell it this year. I never use it. Sits in that garage I start it up every year, make sure it's okay, tuck it back away, and it never gets used. For those of you that follow my channel for a few years, you'll know that I've also got a Honda Grom. I do still own the Grom. I do still intend to do some videos on sticking a tail tidy, new exhaust, a few other things to it, and I'll probably keep that for the next couple of years and see how it goes. However, if there's one that's going to stay, it's going to be this one. Driving around town now is an absolute nightmare. All I've done today is hit roadworks, traffic lights. You've got cars just slow. Everyone has got so used to in Wales now doing this 20-mile-an-hour limit. They do 20 whether it's a 30 or a 40, and it ain't much fun. So I'm going to try and find somewhere now where I can open the throttle up a bit, we can have a bit of fun. It's only going to be a quick half an hour just to give the bike its first run of the year. And that's exactly what I mean about slow traffic. We're doing 8 miles an hour here. Now I appreciate there are speed bumps and we're by a park, but the bike doesn't even want to tick over at that speed. So as I said, more traffic lights. I think they're doing some gas works around here. It's happening to the whole town, so everything is torn up at once as they do. No thought process, bring everyone to a halt at once. Got your River Usk down there. Pretty low tide today. Look at that, it's like a beach bar. Almost killed a squirrel, or he almost killed me, whichever way you look at it. And seeing that guy there just reminded me that because I am quite clearly having a midlife crisis, I bought myself a road bike. Only a second-hand one, a few £100, but it's a decent bike, carbon bike, and I'll be getting out on that soon and probably taking the camera with me. So, and this road would be a perfect road for going on that, and it's what I should be doing today really, instead of being on this lazy, beastly machine. I should probably be using my legs and my heart to get some exercise. This here was the Ryder Cup Celtic Manor golf ground, so you can see they got the big restaurant up there, clubhouse, and then the golf course there, and this is the one specifically built for the Ryder Cup. I can't remember what year it was, probably about 10, no it wasn't 10 years ago, was it? 20 years ago maybe? Show my age now. What a day for it, and this is purely off the back of me booking an MOT. I didn't check the weather forecast before I did it, but this has got to be one of the nicest days we've had this year. So that's a stroke of luck. So I thought it'd be rude not to take it out for a quick blip, wouldn't it? I forget what grunt this thing's got. I took the DRZ this morning for the MOT, and it's a bit, you know, it's a 400, it's a bit slower, it's a bit sloppy, it's 20 years old now. Then you get on this and you forget what a torquey beast it is. Yeah! Woo! Now that was a bit quick for this road, shouldn't have done that. I'd forgotten what a lovely little road this was. Gotta be a bit careful around here because there's a few little houses and like that there. You don't want to come a cropper with that. Oh, these roads could do with a bit of resurfacing, but the bike can handle it. you have a look down there, this is Newbridge on Usk, and this is the actual tidal limit of the Usk, the official tidal limit. Used to be a good salmon river this, but slowly declining. What a lovely day. I could not have chosen a better day to do this, could I? Little nip in the air, it's only March, but fantastic weather. Well, with days like this, you look around and you could be somewhere in the middle of France, couldn't you? And this is beautiful South Wales, which isn't always so beautiful. Now I'm going to give this little road a go here. I'm not sure I've ever been down this road before, so should we see where it goes? So I'm back on the main road. We can start to open out a bit again. So there we go, I said it would be a short one. This was literally just a little blip after the MOT, give the bike a run. Weather turned out better than I thought, so here we are. Anyway, hopefully we'll get a few more videos going now as the spring, a few motorbike, hopefully a few on the road bike. If anyone else wants to see the details of my midlife crisis, buying a road bike, we might go through the bike. Might show you fitting the SPD pedals, anything else you might find interesting, I don't know, maybe you don't. But also fishing, that's something I'm trying to do, is get out and do a bit of fishing again this year, hopefully some fly fishing. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon for regular notifications of my video uploads. I've been Pouse out of the house. Ta-ta, farewell.